take your corned beef and make it into this delicious Caribbean bully beef recipe. It's so easy to make and it's so delicious. So first of all, I'm starting off with my onions. I've got half of a round onion and I'm just going to slice this. Then I'm going to dice up some garlic cloves. I always like to smash mine first because it just makes it easier to get it nice and diced. I'm taking half of a tomato and I'm just going to chop this up. Then I'm taking about a quarter of a red bell pepper and I'm just going to chop this up as well. And don't forget your Scotch bonnet. I actually used my gloves because shortly after this I was going to put in my contact lenses and I didn't need my eyes to be burning. Then I've got some spring onions. I've got about one stalk and I'm just going to chop this up as well. So I've put a little bit of oil in my pot and I'm just going to start off by cooking down my onions and my garlic. Once you've cooked this down for a few minutes and it's gone translucent, you want to add the rest of your vegetables, the pepper, Scotch bonnet, the tomato, the spring onions, and you just want to toss this around. You want to cook this down on a medium to hot temperature for about 3 minutes. After that, you want to add in your corned beef. So at the start, I didn't actually use that much oil, and this is because the corned beef is actually quite fatty and has a lot of its own oil. So this oil is now going to start to be released. So I mash up the corned beef, add some thyme, salt, pepper and tomato ketchup for that bit of sweetness, and I just start to cook it down. You only need to cook your corned beef down for about 5 minutes or so before it's ready to go. It is super simple to make, and you know, people sleep on corned beef. It's seen as a cheap meal, you know, but actually it's so delicious. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.